We just listed this beautiful Ada home with an open house scheduled this Saturday from 1 to 3, hosted by Kelsey and Sarah with the Full Circle Realty team. Enjoy all of the amenities that the Ada area has to offer. This two-story home is positioned on a large 1-acre parcel in a wonderful neighborhood. The sellers have lived here for over 20 years with no expense spared in maintaining this home. Enjoy the custom-built brick patios and the privacy of a fenced-in backyard with an extra deep lot. Schedule a private showing or stop out and tour this home at the open house Saturday, September 28th from 1 to 3.